Welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today's video is going to be quite messy and chaotic because we are going to organize my wardrobe today. So the last time I organized my wardrobe was last year. I think I do this every year, but the situation of my wardrobe is way better than others. I've seen other people's wardrobe. I'm organized person. I don't like mess. I like everything to be organized. So let me show you what we are dealing with today. So this is wardrobe number 1 and it is a mess. Right now I can't find any of my clothes, and this is my home wear clothes. These are Indian wear clothes and that's just another mess. Okay, these are like some pullovers that I have, but what we're going to do is I want to rearrange this entire wardrobe. I want to give away a lot of stuff. When I say giveaway, I want to have a giveaway on my Instagram channel, like a contest where people can come and participate, and I give out, like, I have a lot of makeup also, clothes. Anybody with a size S or extra small, you're in for a treat. Go to my Instagram and check out the giveaway, must be there. That's one pile that I'm going to have. Then I have a donate pile. I'm going to donate a lot of these clothes, but most of them are very fashionable, so I don't know if I can donate it or people can wear it. So that's why we have a thrift pile. So I have a thrift page as well, which is called Crazy Daisy Closet, wherein I sell some of my stuff. I haven't been very active on that, but it's a sign that I have to now. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to try to keep only the clothes that I really use on a daily, and with a heavy heart, I'm going to give out most of my clothes today. Nobody needs these many clothes, you guys. Nobody does. It's not normal. So if you're in this state, this is your sign to go clean your wardrobe. Let me show you what you need before you start organizing your video, or I'm just going to show you the things that I got to start with this organization process. So I've got these carton boxes of Amazon. It's a set of 4. Obviously, I will be linking it in the description. This is clothes from my previous last year's wardrobe organization. I managed to get rid of these many clothes from my wardrobe. I don't know how I'm going to sell all of this online, and we're going to obviously have a new box today with more thrift clothes. So I don't know what I'm going to do, guys, but I'm going to have 2 thrift boxes, 1 donate box and 1 giveaway box. And then I have, these are organizing trays. It's a cloth organizer, and I'm going to be keeping all of the clothes in this so that they don't tumble down or they don't fall. So I've got a couple of these. I'm going to be keeping all of that in that. And then I got this hanger where you can hang like multiple things. We'll figure out later where I'm going to be using it. And I have these mini organizers in case I want to put some spaghettis or some really tiny clothes. So yeah, you'll see it later. So these are the other organizers that I have. Alright, let's start with the most important step, decluttering. I clean my wardrobe every year, but let me tell you, this is the hardest part. We all have those clothes we hold on to for no reason. I'll admit, it's difficult for me too, especially when it comes to clothes. But this year, I'm not holding back. My wardrobe is packed, and I definitely need to make more room for some new pieces. And if you're a fashion influencer like me, you know the struggle of how quickly the clothes pile up. So with a heavy heart, I'm decluttering everything into 3 piles. First, the donate pile. These are the clothes I'm giving away to those in need. Things like winter wear or decent clothes with full sleeves and long pants. Then there's the thrift pile. Most of these haven't even been worn or only have been worn once or twice max. You can actually check out my thrift page, Crazy Daisy Closet, if you want to buy some of these clothes from my wardrobe. And finally, the giveaway pile. I'm giving away some of my wardrobe pieces to you. The rules of the giveaway are super simple. All you need to do to enter the giveaway is follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and tag 2 friends in the comment section on my reel. I'll be choosing 3 to 5 lucky winners based on the entries. So good luck to you guys. Guys, I'm showing you the kind of outfits you can expect to launch on my thrift store. This is like a really nice jumpsuit. Then there's like a nice quad set. This is the top and that's the skirt. Then we have this dress from House of Fett. It's a really good brand, but I think there's too many prints for me. So it's from House of Fett. Then there's this really beautiful dress for New Year or your birthday, some party, if you're an extra small. And then there's this dress with tags on, never worn. Casual summery dress. There's so much you can find. There's this really beautiful dress from Chemistry. I've only worn this once. Yeah, and then there's like the skirt. And then there's this dress that if you're following me on Instagram, you would see. I wore this for the Aston Martin shoot. It's a very figure-hugging bodycon dress. And I don't like really tight clothes, so I want to thrift it. So these kind of clothes you can expect on the giveaway. This is like a really nice dress, casual dress. And then there's like a black tube dress. And then there's a beautiful Forever 21 bodycon dress. So many things. This is like pants. And this is the giveaway box. This is a donation box. I'm glad this is almost full. And this is what we have to deal with. These are my dresses. And this is my clothes. Now that we have done decluttering, let's move on to step 2, cleaning. A simple damp cloth will do the trick, but here's what I do. I use my Dyson vacuum cleaner and honestly, it was one of the best decisions I've made. It helps me clean my wardrobe in no time and it makes my life so much easier. Highly recommended. Next, we're going to organize everything. I got this amazing organizer and trust me, it's a game changer. You'll see how much easier it makes your life. I also picked up a cap organizer from Amazon. I'll link everything in the description box, so make sure to check that out. I have so many caps and storing them can be tricky, but this organizer is just perfect. You can also use it to hang some belts too. And I got to folding my clothes and sorting them into these organizers. I categorized everything into t-shirts, tops, casuals, cord sets, pants, skirts, joggers, dresses, you name it. One pro tip that I can give you is keeping your cord sets together as a set. It's such a lifesaver because when they're separated, it's so hard to find them and the whole wardrobe gets messy. I also grabbed these mini organizers for smaller clothes like crop tops or spaghetti straps. They're perfect for those smaller pieces, while the bigger organizers are great for larger items. Oh, and I've arranged my clothes with this hanger, and doesn't it look so neat and organized? There's like so much more space now. Like if you see, all of these tops, few of them I gave away, but do you see the amount of space I have to hang now? So this organization is really a big hit. The only thing is it's going to take time for me to figure out how to use this and find out what is in what. It'll take some time, but it definitely looks much better, way soothing to the eyes, and it's really good. Currently the situation, and in the drawer here we've kept shorts that I don't really use too much, some tops that I don't really use too much. So finally these are the clothes for the thrift page. There's some pretty good stuff in here, guys. And then we have the giveaway pile. And finally the donation pile. Crazy. By the way, couldn't have done this without Ramya. Go follow her page if you want some really good help with organizing your wardrobe, and obviously you're not going to end up spending 30,000 like those Instagram pages. Ramya will help you out for a very good price. Right, Ramya? So go check out her Instagram page. I will be tagging it in the description below. Thank you, Ramya.
Welcome.
After about a week, I took some time to organize my second wardrobe, which holds most of my home clothes and Indian wear. A little reminder here, don't try to do everything in one day. It's super overwhelming. Take your time and don't hesitate to ask for help. Trust me, you'll get tired and frustrated if you try to rush it. I got this rack out of my guest room. I got this during the time when I was a Myntra stylist and I used to go live and showcase clothes. That was a phase. So I had this stand and I was just using it for nothing. So all of the clothes that are really like hard to fold, like see these are like quite hard to fold. This is quite bulky to fold. This has like so much sequence on it, so bulky, super bulky, stuff like that. I have hung it around here and I've ordered obviously these wooden hangers so it all looks the same. Linking it all below for you guys. So I had ordered 4 new organizers and it fit all of my Indian like salwars, but I need more organizers for athleisure, sari blouses. I like this system better. and I'm really able to find all of my clothes, look at them. I know exactly where to look. Finally, both my wardrobes are now organized, and let me tell you, it's made my life so much easier. I can now find everything with ease, and if I mess up an organizer, I just fix that one section and not the whole wardrobe. You know that struggle of stacking clothes and having a hard time pulling something out from the bottom? That's no longer an issue thanks to these organizers. Those two organizers there, I've just stuck them under the guest room bed. It has all of my winter clothes, so it's not occupying too much space in my main wardrobe. So yeah, I'll get them out during winter. Oh, and I've stacked all of my winter outfits in separate organizers. They take up a lot of space in your wardrobes, so keeping them in their own section has really helped optimize space. It's such a simple thing, but it makes a huge difference. Let's take a look at the before and after shots of my wardrobe. Don't you think it looks amazing now? From being messy and cluttered to now being neat and organized. Every time I open my wardrobe, I no longer get a headache from the chaos. Instead, I feel good looking at these piles and knowing exactly where everything is. Give this a try, and I promise you'll love the results. Don't forget to check out the description box for all of the product links. And if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful or if you want to see more tips like this. Love you guys, and see you in the next one.